And DD India correspondent Vikas Sarthi joins us now for more on this story. Vikas, what are the details emerging of this concrete model being proposed for one nation, one election?
Right, Tanvi. So it's a lengthy report, as you just mentioned, that it is almost 18,000 pages report. So far as the parts of reports are concerned, we can largely divide it into three major categories. That first, what is the way ahead? What is the feasibility of holding elections of Lok Sabha, the lower house, the assemblies of the states, and the municipality and panchayat level elections? How we can hold these three elections together? The committee has suggested that it can be started from 2029. So in first phase, there will be simultaneous election of the lower house of the parliament, Lok Sabha, and state assemblies, and later on the local elections like panchayat elections and city level elections, municipal elections can be held together. Apart from it, it has also gone through the provisions of the constitution which will have to be amended to enable these one nation one election policy. Apart from it, the committee has also studied the economic impact of holding elections together throughout the country. So these are the major areas where committee has given its recommendations. Majorly, it has recommended 44 points, out of which some are related to the constitution amendment. So far as the elections of lower house and the assemblies are concerned, it needs a simple constitution amendment. Though later on, when the municipality and panchayat level elections will also be held together, then the committee has suggested that there should be a constitution amendment which must be ratified by at least half of the states. So that will be the next step. Now the committee has given its report, and it has hundreds of meetings. In fact, the constitution of committee was also in a way that it can get the issues related to the financial implications, legal questions, what are the areas where constitution shall be amended. So the committee had eminent lawyer Harish Salve and an eminent constitutional expert Subhash Kashyap. They gave their inputs on those provisions which are related to the constitution. And as far as the economic impact is concerned, we had N.K. Singh, former Rajya Sabha MP, and he is also an economist, well-known economist. He has provided insight into what will be the financial implication of introducing this one nation, one election policy.
All right. Vikas, you have mentioned about the macroeconomic impact of ensuring simultaneous elections. Now, the committee has proposed the report to the president. What happens next? Can we see its implementation in the near future?
Well, certainly the President's Secretariat will study, this report, and certain recommendations will be made on the basis of this report. In fact, Law Ministry will be the key. Is the key ministry in enabling this kind of discussions. And once the president accepts this report, then certainly the government will bring constitution amendment. There will be again a kind of, you can say, consultation with the states as well, since states will also be part of the second part of this report as far as the municipality elections and village panchayat elections are concerned. But the relevant part is that once president accepts this report in total, that whatever recommendations have been made, there no further changes or amendments are required, then it will be accepted as a whole, and all those areas which have been addressed by the committee, that constitution amendment providing financial assistance. Apart from it, certain amendments will have to be brought with respect to Election Commission of India. So the rules related to the making EC ID, electoral voter ID card, those rules will also be modified to enable a single identity for all elections like Lok Sabha, lower assembly elections, as well as the panchayat and municipality elections.
Okay, thank you very much, Vikas Sarthi, joining us from New Delhi.